welcome to our channel. Today we talked about SpotiCash review. Is it possible to get paid streaming your favorite music? Exposed, $7.1 billion music industry loophole. Pockets me $50 every time I stream a song. Yup, I'm getting paid to vibe to my favorite music. No experience needed minus 100% new method, instant payments. $241,401.22 has been generated with SpotiCash in the past 6 months. 98% of beta testers mad money in the first day. 100% never seen before method. Instant payments directly to your PayPal account. Get paid every day to stream your favorite artist. No experience needed whatsoever. So easy, even a 70-year-old can do it. 30 days money-back guarantee. Free gift, first 50 action taker get instant access to SpotiCash VIP triple your income deluxe edition minus 100% free. Get SpotiCash at a one-time price. Just pay $19 once instead of $297 a month. Get instant access now. Hurry, price rises again inch. What does Drake, Ed Sheeran and I have in common? Simple, all three of us make full-time living off of the music industry. I might not make as much as they do. But still, I'm happy to wake up to $16,402.11 payments into my PayPal account. And no, I did not create any music. Sadly, I don't have that good of a voice. All I do is stream music while doing my everyday activities. Every time I stream a new song, I get paid $50. Crazy, I know. But that's what I've been doing for the past 18 months. Every day, I turn on SpotiCash, stream my favorite artist, and get payments like this. These payments quickly add up to a nice payday. The best part is, I don't have to create anything. Yup, I don't have to create any kind of music. After all, I'm not an artist. I'm just an ordinary person who likes to make some extra cash. And SpotiCash does exactly that. You don't need to create a website, create a video, create music, do any kind of marketing. You don't even need to sell anything. I can be anywhere in the world and still get paid using SpotiCash. Because how SpotiCash is designed, you can access it from your phone, laptop or iPad anytime you want. Doesn't matter where you are, all you need is just an internet connection. I can do it from the comfort of my home or I can do it while taking my brand new BMW for a spin. Heck, I can be on an island in the middle of the ocean and still stream music and get paid. Look how much money our users generated using SpotiCash. You're 3 clicks away from joining hundreds of profitable members. Step 1. Create your account. Simply click on any of the buttons on this page and get instant access to SpotiCash. Step 2. Pick your favorite artist. Select from thousands of artists and vibe to the music. Step 3. Get paid. That's it. Get paid for every song you stream. Get SpotiCash at a one-time price. Just pay $19 once instead of $297 a month. Get instant access now.